This lesson is 2.4 in Go Math. It is on estimating products. We know that the product is the answer when we multiply. So for number 1, they had 4 times 472, but we just want to find an estimate for that. So we know that if we round 472, we're just going to underline the highest value, which is the 4, and draw a line between the 4 and the 7. Sorry, you can't see that. Now the 7 tells the 4 what? What does it say? To add 1 to the 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5 right here. And then the two place values after the fence, we are going to make zeros. So we're going to find the answer with 4 times 500. Now all we have to do is find the basic fact first. So what is our basic fact, everybody? 4 times 5? 4 times 5, yes. So we're going to find the basic fact for 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is what?
20.
20. So we'd write 20. Now this is where you have to be careful because 20 is in the basic fact. We have to just count the zeros after it, right? Because it's 500. So how many zeros are in 500? 2. So we put 2 zeros are in 500. So we're going to put 2 zeros behind it. So the answer is 2,000. This is all you have to do to show your work, is to underline the highest place value, draw your fence, and then write it down. Let's look at number 4. Okay, so we're going to do 5 times the 5,503 estimated. So let's underline the highest value. Do this now. Draw your fence between the two 5s. Okay, we have 5. Does that tell the 5 in the thousands place to stay the same or to add 1?
Add 1.
Add 1. So we're going to do 5 plus 1 here. What is 5 plus 1? 6, right? So 6, and the place values behind, we have how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros. Okay? Times 5. Find the basic fact and you multiply. What is our basic fact?
5 times 6.
5 times 6. What is 5 times 6, everyone?
30.
30. Okay. Count the zeros, 1, 2, and place them close by. Now remember, it's not 300, it's 30, or it's 3,000. Okay? Because 5 times 6 is 30. All right, now for 5 through 8, it says find 2 numbers. The exact answer is between. Which one do you want to do in those? 7? Okay, so we're going to do 4 times 90 and 4 times 94 is between 90 and 90 and what? 94 is between 90 and 100. Good. So I'm going to do 4 times 90 and 4 times 100. Okay, 4 times 90. Find the basic fact and you multiply. What's our basic fact? Okay. All right. 4 times 9 is. You can do your finger trick. Put the 4, and we have 3 fingers in front, and how many behind? 6. So it's 36, and because it's 9 tens, we're going to have 36 tens. All right, now what about 4 times 100? What is 4 times 100? Everybody, go. 400. So, did we find 2 answers? The exact answer is between? Yeah, it's going to be between 360 and 400. All right, let's look at number 10. Let's read it and do cube. Ready? Go. Most Americans throw away about, that's our clue word, 1,365 pounds of trash each year. Is it reasonable to estimate that Americans throw away over 10,000 pounds of trash in 5 years? Are we going to do anything with the 10,000 right now? No, that's just our number to check. Okay? So we have 5 years, so let's do 5 times. Now 1,365. Let me change my color to red. Okay, so we're going to underline the highest value, right? And draw your fence. Does the 3 tell the 1 to stay the same or to add 1? Stay the same. It's less than 5, right? So 1 stays the same, and everything else becomes a 0. So we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. Now find the... What's our basic fact? 5 times 1 is 5. Count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, and place them close by. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we had the estimate of 5,000. They're saying it's over 10,000. Is that reasonable? They're saying it's over 10,000. Okay? I mean, even if we went 5 times 10, or 5 times 2,000, that would still, the answer is going to be between 5,000 and 10,000, not over 10,000. So is our answer reasonable? Yes or no? No, it's going to be between 5,000 and 10,000, not over 10,000. So no, it is not reasonable. All right. Okay, describe a real-life multiplication situation for which an estimate makes sense. So really when you just want to get an idea of something, right? Okay. All right, you're going to do great. Keep it up.